Okay guys, yeah, I know I've got lockdown hair, need a haircut. I can't even be bothered doing it today. So today this is the tour of the garage, the RC garage. Not as neat and tidy as I'd like, but okay. So we've got the trailer tent, kids' bike there in the way. So that's the trailer tent. Numerous good holidays in that, and more to come. So this is the second floor, the mezzanine floor that I put in as we moved in. And these are the RC cars hung up here. Spare set of tyres for the 5th scale. Still got the originals on, absolutely fine. Ford Bronco, Traxxas TRX4. Get down. And obviously all the maintenance stuff just at the side here. A WD-40 good cleaner and whatnot. You got your controllers here all laid up. Got the Mammoth steam engine. Take that out and go out to the field with all the remote control car bits and spanners. This is the workbench. Got your chargers there. Spanners hung up. More RC related stuff. Bag of shock oil, after run oil, GT85. Best stuff going for cleaning. That's car stuff. More RC bits here. What we got? Brand new 5th scale exhaust, not even used. We've got got a spur gear here for the 5th scale. On a Power HD servo, metal geared, brilliant for the crawling. Oh, gasket off the exhaust. Tyre spanner, wheel spanner, sorry. Absolutely fantastic. Got all the instructions there in the drawer. Crimps, pliers, yeah, it's a right mess, yeah, I know. And air compressor for when I need to blow the cars down. Heater for in winter. And I've got the 5th scale interior that I need to possibly fit. And that's it up to now. These are the battery I'm using in the crawler. Traxxas LiPo. It's never ran out on us yet on the trail. Been brilliant. Any questions? Just give us a message. Like, subscribe to us, and there'll be more. I'll do an in-depth review on this. As you can see, there's a couple of upgrades on it and stuff. This is my son's ECX barrage that he built. I'll do a review on that as well.